Where have we got noise coming from? There we go. Here we go. Alright, that works. That looks good enough. I'm ready to start. You ready to start? Alright, so let's just put our trusty headphones on. Now I can hear myself think and talk. Alright, good morning, folks. Welcome to Breakfast with Trime Taveler. I'm Trime Taveler, and I'm here to give you some cryptocurrency and stock tips today. Don't forget, I am not an actual financial advisor. I'm actually homeless and live in an abandoned house and have made a lot of wrong decisions in my life, so following my decisions to the T might not be a good idea. Unless if you're homeless and just trying to get out of that, then, listen to every single word I say, because it's probably the only thing that's going to help you. Anyway, let's get started with this. We're going to start off today with the 100 most popular stonks on cryptocurrency on Robinhood. Starting with our biggest loser of the day. Oh, look at that. Verizon is our biggest loser at 1% down. That is nothing down. And it looks like we are having a decent day. Oh, wait. Norwegian Cruise Line. Oh, it's moving. Never mind. Okay, and we have... Oh, Clover Health is... No, never mind. Also moving. So it looks like our biggest winner of the day is Rivian Automotive, followed by Riot Platforms, two that we've seen in the, big movers for the last couple of weeks. Nikola up about 4% right now. Alibaba up 6%. Roblox 4.4%. DraftKings up 4%. Planetary Technologies, which is, I believe, one of the marijuana companies, is up 3.89%, and everything else is just not really up high enough for me to write home about. Let's push one more click one more time, reorganize these. Yeah, like I said, Rivian Automotive is our big winner of the day, followed by Riot Platforms and Alibaba. Nikola up 5.7%. That's we saw Nikola, so it was $35 right out of the gate. This is the 5-year chart. Let's look at this. This is gonna be fun. So okay, no, not even 35. It was $30 as soon as it started, and then its first peak was all the way up to nearly $66, and the lowest we have seen was recently about 58 cents. So from 58 cents to $1.38, there's definitely some volatility to be had there, and even though this company is been going downhill since its inception, they are delivering trucks right now. They are building trucks and they are selling trucks, and as far as I can see, as long as they are operating and doing what they said they were gonna do, then this price is probably pretty low for it. So I suggest buying. I'm gonna, just right now, so that I can say that I am a Nikola and a Tesla shareholder. I'm a Nikola Tesla shareholder. Oh, look at that. I have to verify my account. I'm not going to do that right now. So we'll have to come back and I'll have to make all my buys some other time. Now we're going to look at the daily movers. These are the biggest movers of the day, not from the top 100. Live Zone Metals Limited down 17.8%, followed by Gibson Iron, MGM China Holdings down 8%. Shino Ocean Group Holdings is down 4.7%. They've been in the daylight movers a few times recently. Also, let's take a look at this Life Zone Metals. This could be a good opportunity here. Oh, look at that! That 1 year is just okay. Look at that 1 week. Wow, wow. 1 month ago. This thing is just opening up. This is, oh no, it's not. It just doesn't move very much, and yeah, it recently experienced some volatility for like the first time ever. It became something that people actually wanted to like, buy and sell, and yeah, Live Zone Metals Limited engages in development of modern metals technology. It provides low carbon and sulfur dioxide emission metals to battery and EV markets. The company was founded by Keith Little in 2008 and is headquartered in Ramsey Isle of Man, whatever Man is. Wow, man. Alright, so I don't know that I mean, you can put $1 in anything, right? But I don't know that is the one that I would actually choose for today for my dollar. Okay, so we saw Life Zone Metals. Let's take a look at this Mount Gibson Iron also. Nope, never mind. Never mind. Nope. Never mind. Never mind. Nope. Never mind. Okay, now let's look at the biggest winner of the day. That is TMC, the Metals Company, followed by Soundhound AI, and then Caribou Biosciences, which I bought some of yesterday. So looks like that's up an extra 6% today. So buying some yesterday must have been a decent idea. Let's take a look at this TMC, the Metals Company. Wow, what a good month. 225% in the past month. 35% in the past week. And 15% in the day. TMC, the Metals Company, is an exploration company which engages in the collection, processing, and refining of seafloor polymetallic nodules. The company was founded in 2021 and is headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. The listed name for TMC is TMC, the Metals Company, Inc. Common stock. So I am gonna say this is worth my dollar today, and I can't put it in right now, but we all know that's where my dollar is gonna go as soon as I hang up here, and I end up doing my little daily dollar action after you guys are out of my hair. I say out of my hair as if I have hair. Oh man. Alright, now our cryptocurrency for today, and this is the cryptocurrency available through Robinhood. They offer about 15 different cryptocurrencies, which I find as every now and then I end up wishing that I had access to this coin or that coin, and I do through my other. I have a Binance account, and I also have an Uphold wallet, but I really genuinely do not use either one of those near as much as I use my Robinhood. Robinhood is a great platform for beginners, and regardless of what your friends might have told you, the guy who owns it really isn't that bad. Yeah, so that's the funniest joke I got for today. Our biggest loser of the day right now at this very moment is Compound. The lowest price that we've seen all day was $54.20. The highest we've seen is $59.19. And let's look at the 1 week. We are down officially for the week right now. Not the lowest we've been all week. That would be about $51. And then we are up 70% for the month, 28% for the 3 months, and up 20% for the year. And then, as you can see, all of this action has been happening since like the middle of June, whenever I was kind of saying, hey, this is probably the bottom of a lot of these coins right now. You might want to start buying. Alright, so that was Compound. Our next biggest loser is Bitcoin Cash, which has also been on a really good run lately. So it's tough to look at something like Bitcoin Cash and say, you know what, I don't really want to buy any of that because I sold it all last night. Oh yeah, and I can't buy $1 of it right now. Alright, so our biggest winner of the day would be Avalanche, up 2%. Nothing that big of a deal. But let's look at these market caps here. I'm going to organize it by market cap. So our highest market cap, of course, of all the coins combined together have a market cap about equal to the largest market cap, which is Bitcoin. Bitcoin today is at $30,300, and it's up only about 0.66%, less than 1% up, but with a $377 billion market cap. I mean, there are people that are investing in stocks that are worth less than $1 billion. Half a billion dollar market caps on these stocks, and they're criticizing cryptocurrency, saying there's no future in it. It's a scam. All this and that. But look, if it's a scam, it is a $377 billion market cap scam. There are bigger scams that are called stocks being sold in our stock market as I speak. Number 2 for the day is, of course, Ethereum, also up not very much. It was recently almost hit that 2,000 mark, and it was staying above 1,900, and it is just now broke that below 9. It's in the 1,800s now, and it's hard to tell exactly what it's going to do in the next few days. Today is Thursday, so I'm going to say probably we are looking at another crypto weekend this weekend. Will it be the good one that we've been waiting for? Is Doggy Coin going to hit 10 cents again? I'm not going to say that is this weekend, but it is definitely a weekend coming up really soon. Let's look at the Doggy Coin, actually. So there's the day. We're not up very much. And then for the past week, we are down 1% for the week. The highest we've seen all week was 7.1 cents, 7.15 cents, basically 7.2 cents. And the lowest we have seen was at the beginning of the week, 6.3 cents. Now, we saw prices as low as 5.9 cents less than a month ago. Less than a month ago. It was at exactly this time right here, 4 p.m. on June 14th. You could have bought Doggy Coin for 5.9 cents. And if you did that and you're holding right now, keep on holding and keep on waiting for those dips and keep on buying on those dips. You're doing a good job. If anybody's not doing a good job, it's me, and I should be teaching more people how to do what you are doing. So give yourself a little pat on the back. And I'm just gonna say that we're pretty much over for the day. My $25,000 is a little bit down. Last night we had a bit of a drop, and I tried to buy some Shiba last minute, but it looks like it never went through. So I think that my best option at this very moment in time is probably gonna be to keep holding. Yep, I'm gonna keep waiting for a better dip. There was some dips last night. Like I said, and I send signals out too whenever I see these dips, and I did last night. I said, buy on the dip and or keep holding, and that's pretty good advice right now. Definitely keep holding, and if there is one thing that I'm gonna say to buy right now at this very moment in time, it's gonna be, man, I want to say Shiba Inu, but that's not it either. Maybe Apple. You know what? Buying some Apple is not really that bad of an idea. It's a pretty solid stock, a long history of growth. You put your money in Apple, and it's pretty much better than putting it in a bond. I know a lot of people are into bonds, and they say that they're the sure thing and stuff like that, but honestly, bonds are also not a sure thing. And if you want to get the most out of your money, you're going to have to take a couple of risks. And whenever you take those risks, don't take one risk. Spread out your portfolio. Buy some stocks, buy some cryptocurrency, and don't just buy one. And whenever they go down, don't panic. Just buy more. If you don't have money to buy more, then don't even worry about it. Just keep holding. Keep holding until that day whenever you see my tweet that says "I told you so," like in great big bold letters, and that is the day that you're gonna want to go and check your stuff and maybe consider selling. I wouldn't sell everything, especially not based on my signals. But maybe consider selling like 10%, and then setting a limit to put it back in at a lower price. That's what I do all day long. I just sit here playing with my schlong. Yeah, okay. Bad joke. I'm sorry about that. I would never do that while you guys are on the video chat with me, and that's sick. I even said it, so I'm sorry. All right, but man, we got some action going on. As soon as I hang up, this is everything's gonna go crazy, and then I'm almost gonna want to come back to you guys and be like, dude, look now, look, see what it's doing. But until that moment, I just want to thank you all very much for coming in. Don't forget to write your name in the back of your underwear, because accidents happen, and you don't want to be left behind. Thank you very much. I love you more than words can tell. All the way up to heaven, and then right back down here to hell, where we are sitting and standing and staring at my computer screen. La 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 la. Alright, now I'm gonna get everything set back up and ready for my next show. And I'll see y'all again tomorrow. If anybody has any questions, my stream is available for questions and or any concerns at any time. I'm usually streaming my Grateful Dead music about 12 hours a day, and that is question time. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm gonna continue doing all this stuff for you, and if you don't show up to get this help that I'm offering to you, then you're probably gonna miss out on some really good stuff. So don't forget to yeah. All right. Thank you very much. Breakfast with Trime Taveler has been sponsored by Bitcoin. You want a coin that you can't keep in your pocket and isn't gonna jingle around with all the other coins? Then buy yourself a Bitcoin, one of the most expensive coins on earth.